What's up with you guys? I'm Nike Simone here. I'm a princess of my city and whatever city that I'm in. Look, if you know what's that, then you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell up top so you get all my videos as soon as I post them. Listen. So it's a good day to be alive. I am finna to, quote unquote, you know, I got a job. Got to do my hair. So I'm finna to do a wig. We ain't gonna keep you long. It's gonna be fast. So if you want to see how I install this wig that I got from Amazon, it is this, I done had it before. It's the Gabriella collection, Gabrielle wig. If you want to see how I install this wig, keep watching. This ain't no lace on wig, so I'm gonna put this on to keep it down. You know, you gotta get this close. Just like me. glad we got that back to work. Like I said, we ain't trying to make this long. I'm gonna tie these down and then I'll be back. Okay, I know I told you I was going to lay my hair down. I still ain't made it there yet. I'm still working out the logistics of it, like with my baby hairs and stuff. Like, you know, that's what I'm working on. Trying to make my baby hair look like something. And I can't take a conclusion that I'm moving too slow, because by the time I get this looking good laid down, it don't look good no more because it came up. And then by the time I get this side looking good laid down, it be came up. So the other side be came up. So I just but that's what I'm doing now. Once I get my baby hairs and stuff laid down, then I'm gonna run my hair up, and then I'll be back with this how we going. So what's up with you guys? I'm back. I'm back off at, you know, trying to do my hair and trying to record videos. Like, it just wasn't working for me, so I had to go in my mama room, use her mirror, and I kind of, you know, finally did a little something a little bit better than what I was doing. Excuse me, when I was in here. I'm tired as fuck. I've been up since 7:30 this morning. Like I said, it ain't long, but it really is, and I gotta go to work in the morning. So I did my hair. I put a little stuff on it, and I combed it out, and now it's just like this. And we'll do a final reveal in the morning. Like, if y'all want to see how I do my hair in complete detail, then, you know, leave a comment down below or something like that. But I'm just bad off at, you know, like, recording the whole video, like recording the whole process, because I don't be wanting to process. I don't be wanting to record them long ass videos on my phone, and then I be talking, doing shit like this. So yeah. Oh, that's all for tonight, you guys. I'm finna roll me a blunt. Am I gonna take a bath tonight? I don't know. I'm contemplating taking a bath tonight. I'm tired. It don't matter, because if I take one tonight, or if I don't take one tonight, I'm still gonna take one in the morning. But we're gonna get ready to go to work. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. My eyelashes, this one look like it's thinner than this one, but whatever. Okay, anyways, that's it. That's all, and I'm out.
Take care of what I don't like. Can't believe this bitch won't act all innocent, playing all in my face. I just hit the reset button, making the punch just how I can. No longer powder over my pain. All of my scars come off when it rain. I'm on the road and I'm Morocco. I'm elevated, reaching new heights. I'm the Messiah, feeling like Christ. Feeling my sins, rocking all white. I'm in the bins, rocking all ice. Save me a predator, I'm filling the room with the sage. How I'm living my life. Asking a lot of send me a list something who's safe and gangsta all my life. My soul tied. Remember I used to tell y'all